Alrighty, here's the snow. It's kind of hard to see how deep it is, but it's pretty deep actually. Salberto's here plowing! Freaking snow here, bud. I'm like, dude, lucky day. If it's a grimy penny, I might let it go, but under normal circumstances, I'm taking it. Yeah. There's germs on these coins. Never mind where my dollar bills and $20 bills have been. Whose ass crack they've been inside. Yeah. Oh. Snowy balls outside. You want me to move my car? Let me know when you want me to move my car. I'll pull it up in one of these areas. Camera. Will we move a car now, yeah? Or what you thinking? All right. Smoke break. I don't own the rights to this song. I'm not trying to profit from this song. It's playing on the radio. They're playing it for me, and you are hearing it as a secondary reason. That's it. I'm not playing this music to try and make money, so don't give me a copyright strike, YouTube. Now, YouTube did in fact give me a copyright strike for this section here because of the song that was about to play. So I just, to appease them, I've muted the sound and the audio for this section, and I may try and plug in another song and see if that gets me a copyright strike. We'll go from here and see what happens, but thanks for watching. Stay tuned. On to the next adventure.
Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. He's got some Ulu hot shot tapes. We get down to erotica, aerobica. We suck down the ice cold beers and fill our guts full of maqueta. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. He brings his wife Eileen and a friend for me. We sing songs from the Upers, past the Philia, please. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. He's an old-time UP man. He fills the pub with his bare hands. He's willing to share his trenary toast. He's a hard-tag man from the Antenagen coast. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. He's an old-time UP man. He fills the pub with his bare hands. He's willing to share his trenary toast. He's a hard-tag man from the Antenagen coast. Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta. 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 Guess who's coming to sauna? Heikki Lunta.
Velcroed and fucking treads right to the bottom of your shoes. Good to go. You got interchangeable treads, so you got like some sand paddles for when you're going climbing in the sand. You wanna go walking on the beach and throw on your sand paddles.
This is for the real terrible. This is for the best.
Studded tracks or what it says. That's good thinking. Shoes with Velcro on the bottom with replaceable traction devices. You can swap them out for all kinds of different ones. That'd be great.
Devices?
Yeah. You have ones with little clips on them. Those little crampon thingies. Climbing ice. Ice rocks and shit.
Dakota Johnson, Jennifer Lawrence, Tyler Perry, and
Super sandal bottoms, so you can just walk around in your sandals. Your tennis shoes, you leave sandal prints behind you. Oh, and then you gotta get the ones that'll put the tread backwards, so when you walk forwards, it looks like you went backwards, so people will think you went the other direction. So when you're trying to lose the cops, it's not, well, we don't lose the cops, you know, we're friends. When we're trying to lose the bad guys think you're running that way, and actually you're running that way.
Give new card members a one-year anniversary gift they'll never forget.
Really, we ran this way.
Ingenious. Cashback you've earned dollar for dollar. No caps and no futures, because we know if you try us, you'll like us, and that's worth every penny. Try and believe it at discover.com/match. Cashback match offer Only for new card members. Limitations apply.
All right, the plowing is done. It's a big ass snowbank over there. What do you think, Penelope? Time to go take a break? Let's roll. All right. Woo!